Pat them. If you don't love them pat because of them my mother love. She don't cook with nothing but them type of pat. And them she love aluminum. Yeah, them are fear pot. Remember, call Peaches. Look all the Peaches have. Remember what Peaches says she have? Hello everyone. Where am I today? Maypen Market. Maypen Market. Alright. I'm going to get some stuff for my video. I'm going to get some stuff for my cooking video. I am in Maypen Market. How are you today? How are you doing, my people? How are you doing? Everything all right? It's hot out here. It's very hot out here, and as you can see, I have on my shades, my little peak hat to keep the sun off me. Those who were on the live last night, those who were on the live that I did with the do-it-yourself nails, I have them on today. As you can see, I'm wearing them. How do they look? How do they look? Persons who were on the live last night, how do they look? Alright, I'm gonna get some stuff. Alright, make we go buy some stuff in the market now. That's where I go on. What do I need for the video? People are sick corn. I see some corns here. You see the corn? How much we corn? 600. Some, let's see. Let me trade them now. At least. Alright. So we have some corn here for 600. What else you want? Alright people, let me pay. What else do I need, people?
6 of them?
Yeah, fill them.
Give me 2 bags, 8,000.
I need okra. And I need carrot. I need Irish okra. Carrots.
What you want?
How much for okra?
200 a pound.
Alright. And carrot?
Carrot?
350. Can I hear your mommy? Carrot. Alright, 350, 300 a pound. 1 pound of this. 1 pound okra. 1 pound of carrot. Yeah, people, I need this for the cooking video. Alright, we're gonna do some cooking later. Alright.
I want drinks now, I feel. You know, I want drinks.
Have any Irish?
Yeah, 300.
Me a pound of Irish, please. People, it's sun hot out here bad, trust me. Me have one little shades. Out here on the road, you know. We are doing it. Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah. Why me get no fork? We can cook whole heap of dish with this, you know. Whole heap of cooking video with this. Alright? And me get my corn. And my corn. I have my carrot. I'm more Irish now. What else again? Yeah. Yeah man, we're out here doing it, people. In the streets.
I wish you had a video.
Hi my darling, you're going to work?
Coming from work.
Coming from work. Alright, bye. Check me the mommy.
950. You want one bag?
Yes, give me one bag now. So that with the bag now? 10.50. Alright. People. Just going through the market. Going down. What's your Irish? Japon for Irish.
Japon for cabbage.
And tomato? Hmm? Pound of Irish, pound of tomato. And look one is small and nice. £1? I saw my body. Exactly. Put my tomato on top of me. I don't want to squeeze up. I go to the market, alright, Landy. How man, I have one YouTube channel. I have video for put on it. Me don't want, you don't tell me say you want to go on it, so people don't want to camera up on them. You know, see me take it off of you. Eh? You know, see me not put it on you, because some people don't want to camera up on them. You don't like take picture? You say they like take picture? Alright people, Mummy said she don't like take pictures, so she don't want to camera up on her. I love it. I mean, now, but I put you in night, so you love picture. People are good on your line, so what else again? You know watch YouTube? My channel have whole heap of cooking, different cooking bunny. Cooking channel, and I'll go to the market, all the curry and them places. You know watch you when you have time, man?
Going down the line.
Going down the line.
Somebody buy 3.
What's a pound for you?
4 baby.
The 2 pounds.
Take a piece.
Mr. Piece, eh? Put on for me see.
What do you want, sir? What do you want, sir?
Me see.
Mama, what do you want, sir?
This is what I want to see. Alright.
Go again.
Now please up my tomato there.
Go again, you want? Yeah, bitch. What do you want again, pretty girl?
The pretty girl going 9 back first.
Go on.
I'm paying bill first.
No wrong with that.
Rainfall last night, people, but they are telling us oh, they are hot. Trust me. See there, sweetie, have changed? Some nice spot over there, so people, if you want pot. Nice spot, they cross the road. Why you don't want to give me no more? Huh?
Don't I give you?
Talk to my people then.
Don't I give it to you? Why you put up? Why you do that?
Talk to my people then.
Who that?
The YouTube people then.
What I'm to them? You don't want them know me. Them don't know me. A woman know me talk to.
Man say not talk to you because
Talk to me know.
if not know you know, say if not talk to you, alright?
When they come here, so me and them talk.
Alright, if you don't want to talk to you, you can come by.
Alright.
Team Starley. Right? Whoa, some pretty pot over here. Some pretty pot over here, say no people. And them pot I like cooking here. Yeah, some pretty pot over here, so. Come in the market, come get on the pot them here. And stove grid. All who use coal stove. See stove grid here. Come in the Maypen market and you get them. Alright? Yeah. Nice pot them. Saving pan too. Yeah. But all who love the aluminum pot, all who love aluminum pot, come in the Maypen market. Whoa! See another pot place over here, so you know. All who like them type of pot, yeah? Yeah, man. All who like cooking at them type of pot, yeah. Come in a Maypen market, come get them. Them pot you love? Come get them in a Maypen market, alright? Aluminum pot.
What's the number?
Eh?
What's the number?
I talk to the lady about them pot. Them pot my mother like, you know. Alright? Tell them what go on.
Morning.
Alright. This is
Peaches from Maypen.
Peaches from Maypen. Come in a Maypen market, take the one. First,
I'll just give them a number. My
Alright.
number is
Shall I give you no number?
my number is 802-3147. You can get some lovely pots here and whatever you want, I have it.
Peaches, go look slow again with the number now.
Alright, this is Peaches from Maypen Market. My number is 802-3147. We have lovely pots, we have castor oil, honey, molasses and other stuff.
Alright, you get the number people and look on the pot them. If you don't love them pot here, because of them my mother love. She don't cook with nothing but them here type of pot here. And them she love aluminum. Yeah, them are fear pot. Remember, call Peaches. Look all the Peaches have. Remember what Peaches says she have?
Castor oil, honey, molasses and other stuff.
And Peaches I go see herself back on my channel, so make sure the Peaches the card so she can find me. So she can watch back herself on the channel when we upload the video. Peaches think a lame thing.
Morning, everyone.
So, that will make sure the Peaches see herself back on YouTube and can watch herself. See me the Peaches find me on YouTube.
Alright, Miss Phoenix.
Yeah. So when we post the video, you're going to see yourself.
Peaches, shop and save.
Alright.
Have a great day.
Yeah, we're going through people. We're going through the market. Sun hot out here, but so you go. I want my little peak at and thing. Maypen and no Playpen. We are going through the market. Take this side of the market and go back round to the clock. Yeah, I take this side and go back round to the clock. Alright. Just buying some things for the cooking video. Alright. I'm taking this side and go back round to the clock. Alright. So I've got some things to cook for the cooking video later. What am I going to cook? What am I going to cook? I'm not going to tell you, but I'm buying some stuff to cook on the channel later, alright? Maypen market people. Oh, come get your school stuff. Back to school time now, come get your school stuff. See the bag them there? See that? Yeah man, Miss Phoenix out here. Shoes. Wow. Yeah. People, these look good. Strong too. Yeah, them look good. Come get those school shoes, man. Boys and girls. Come out and get them. Whoa. Nice quality. Yeah, them look good, trust me. Not lie. People, me not lie. Come in at the market. But come in at the market, come ask for who?
Slippers
Ask for
man.
who?
Slippers man.
Slippers man. Everybody know you. When you come in and Maypen market, all you have to do is just ask for Slippers man. That's all. You don't need no other name. Just ask for the Slippers man, because you're going to look shoes and school bag. Just ask for him. Alright? Now, because I want Slippers man to see himself back for my channel, I give Slippers man one of my card. So, Slippers man can search for me and see back himself later on the channel. So, we just want to put Slippers man on the video and then him now see back himself. Alright, so when we post Slippers man, I can see himself because I'm going to search for Miss Phoenix in the Miss Phoenix channel. How do you do, sir? Yeah. Alright, people, me I look some stuff we cook later. What will I be cooking? What may I cook later for now? I don't know, but I go through the market and I go back round through. Oh! I'm going out to the clock.
Sure. Using your new presidential Please keep it on your person.
Where can I turn? Alright, let me turn here. And this is up to the tax office. A worse place that they kill. Alright.
I don't want to know I get paid, man. One color man in a Maypen. No pussy test. One and only. One king. Any else king a Burger King. Then better.
One king.
I'm
Any
out.
other king a Burger King.
I'm out.
People hear that? Only one king there about here, any other king or Burger King.
Burger King.
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You say one king. Yeah, Maypen and any other king or Burger King. Alright people, I'm going towards the clock. Style of.
So I have to be very careful.
Skylove is a what? Skylove is a clothes, shoes. Oh, I've never been to Skylove. Seafood needs some more. Nah lie people, the market expensive though. Nah lie. But me get what I want to make the video. It's all good. It's all good. Nah lie, market expensive, but yeah, but one thing, price right. It's when you're a content creator, you can't have thin skin. You have to have thick skin because you will meet people out on the road that is very unkind, and you just have to have some thick skin. Alright, you can't be a content creator and have thin skin. The skin have to thick. Alright, to come out here on the road. This is not for the weak. This is not for the weak. Content creating or traveling on the road, vlogging on the road is not for the weak. Alright, because you have some very unkind people out here. And then now rampy. Aha! Then now rampy this year. But it's all good. I'm not afraid of that. I'm not scared of that. Alright? My skin is very thick. And I will just laugh it off. That's me. I'm at the clock now. Yeah, I'm at the clock. I'm at Maypen clock. I've gotten some things for the video to make my cooking video. I will be heading back soon. Just enjoying a little of Maypen. Probably get something to eat. Probably get something to eat. And head back. Great Value Supermarket. A lot of supermarkets, pharmacies, supermarkets. I am right at the clock. Alright? Right at the clock. It's a very busy city, a very busy little town. Alright? Well, I've gotten some stuff to make my video. I can head back down. I can head back down. What did you think about my little shopping run, people? What did you think about my little run? In the comments, just let me know the things were too expensive, good price. Just put it in the comment and let me know if I got some good prices or the things were too expensive. Let me know in the comments. Alright? Well, this Phoenix is really out now. People, I am out. Heading home, people. Heading home. Heading down to the bus park. Alright. Clarendon Parish Library. And I'm going down. Bus park look empty. Thought I just get a view of the bridge, people. Alright, thought I just get a view of the bridge. From afar. Because I am afraid of bridges. I am afraid to cross bridge. I am afraid of bridge. Period. Alright, so you won't see me going on this bridge. I will just view it from afar. Alright? Yeah, I will just view it from afar, but you won't catch me on this bridge. Mighty God of Daniel, what is this? So I'm down by this Maypen Bridge here. Alright? But you won't catch me too near because I am afraid of this bridge here. I won't go on it. Alright? This is our Maypen Bridge. And since I'm in the area, I just come to get a shot of it. But I won't be going on it, people. Hmm? What do you think? I will go on it? I'm not that brave. Mighty God of Daniel. What is this? Let me go in for a closer look. Not too close though. Hey, hey. What is this? Oh, we had rain last night. Seems like no rain is down here. The river is dry. It's dry. But I won't be going any further on this bridge. Trust me, people. I turn back right now. I'm so afraid. I wouldn't even cross it. Walk across it. I don't know how me to walk across it. I'm not going to cross it.